Want to create viral miniature construction ASMR videos using just one free AI tool? Yes, you heard that right. Almost every tutorial you'll find on YouTube uses expensive paid AI tools, but in this video, I'll show you how to create these videos using just one free AI tool. And the entire process takes only 2 simple steps. But here's the best part. I'll also give you my master prompt, a single prompt that you can reuse to generate unlimited miniature construction ASMR video ideas. So once you understand this workflow, you can keep creating new videos over and over again. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step 1. Story and prompt generation. The first thing we'll need is the master prompt. And honestly, this is what makes the entire workflow so much easier. Because instead of writing everything manually, the master prompt does almost all of the work for us. I've already added it in the video description. Simply copy the entire prompt. Don't skip any lines, otherwise it may not work properly. Now let's open ChatGPT. I'll paste the master prompt and send it. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT starts generating multiple viral video ideas, along with SEO-friendly YouTube titles. So instead of spending hours thinking about ideas, you instantly get several options to choose from. If you don't like any of them, just ask ChatGPT to generate more. It'll create another list in seconds. For this tutorial, I'm going with miniature DIY tiny farmhouse construction time-lapse. Now I'll copy this idea, send it back to ChatGPT. Within a few seconds, it generates everything we need. As you can see, it gives us an image prompt, and right below that, a motion prompt as well. Now you might be wondering, why did it generate only one image prompt? That's actually intentional. I'll explain exactly why in the next step. So don't skip the video, otherwise you'll miss one of the most important parts of this workflow. Now let's move to step number 2, image and video generation. This is where we turn those prompts into actual AI images. For image generation, I'm using Google Flow. The reason is simple. Right now, it's one of the best free options available. It's free in many countries, and even if it's not available for free in yours, you can still use the free trial for about a month. So first, I'll copy the image prompt that ChatGPT generated, then I'll open Google Flow, make sure image generation is selected, and simply paste the prompt. If you're creating a long-form YouTube video, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. If you're making shorts or reels, go with 9:16 instead. For this tutorial, I'll stick with 16:9. Now for the model, I'm selecting Nano Banana 2 personally. I've tested a few different models, but this one gives me the most consistent results for this style. Everything looks good. So let's hit generate and see what we get. And there we go. Our first image is ready. I created 2 different versions and both look amazing, but I personally prefer this one. So let's use it and move on to the next step. But here's something important. Just because the image looks good doesn't mean you should generate only 1 image. This is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. If the first result isn't perfect, generate it again. Sometimes the second, or even the third or fourth or more until you satisfies with result. For video generation, I'm using Google Flow again. So let's create our first animation. I'll click New Project, upload the first image we just created, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the motion prompt for scene 1, and paste it here. Now we need to adjust a few settings. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and for the model, I'm choosing Omni Flash. You might also see VO3 here, but personally, I prefer Omni Flash, so let's click Generate and see the result. It looks incredibly realistic. It honestly feels like a proper time-lapse video. Even the sound design is really satisfying. It has that perfect ASMR style feel that makes these miniature construction videos so enjoyable to watch. That said, if you feel video need improvement, then don't stop there. Change your prompt a little. Generate it again. You must do some trial and error if you want the best possible results. Even with a great master prompt, small prompt changes can make a huge difference. Now let's generate the second scene. Now you might be thinking, we only generated 1 image, so how are we going to create the second scene? Well, here's the trick. On the generated video, you'll notice a small image icon. Simply click on it, and you'll be able to save the video's final frame as an image. Now we have the ending frame from the first scene. Next, upload this end frame image as the reference image for the next generation. This ensures the second scene starts exactly where the first one ended, giving you a seamless and consistent time lapse. Paste the second motion prompt, keep the same settings. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. And for the model, I'm choosing same Omni Flash and generate it again. And look at this. The motion, sound, everything looks really smooth. Honestly, Omni Flash did a great job here. Of course, our master prompt deserves some credit too. If it's helping you so far, don't forget to leave a like. Now I'm going to repeat the exact same process. I'll select the second video, click on the image icon, and save its end frame. Then I'll upload that end frame image here as the reference for the third scene. Next, I'll paste the motion prompt, keep all the settings exactly the same, use the same model, and click Generate. Let's see how it turns out. From here on, we're simply going to repeat this exact process for all the remaining prompts until our entire time-lapse sequence is complete. Alright, all of our video clips are finally ready. Now the last step, video editing. For this video, I'm editing everything on my phone, so I've already added all the generated clips to the timeline. If you'd like, you can add a few transitions, video effects, or some background music to make the video even more engaging, and that's it. Once you've exported it, your miniature construction time-lapse is ready. Now, let's check out the final result. Wait, if you're still watching, comment, "I watched the full video." And I have a special gift for you. Also, if you want to learn how to create viral AI stickman videos, one of the hottest trends right now, click the video on the left. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!